Just going to do a quick video on a new bike that I've done, fitted with a tsdz2 motor, 80 Newton meters of torque built in. This one's got an 11.6 AH Panasonic cell battery, which is this here. This is just one that I've built for somebody that asked for it, so just going to give you a quick overview of the bike. There's a motor. Customer had wanted these mudguards fitting, so I just fitted them on for him. Got any questions on it, just pop them down below in the comments. I'll ask any questions that you've got concerning the motor. Works pretty well really, the motor does, to be honest, the torque sensor. Top speed probably 25. My last one was 25 mile an hour on the free speed. You can see that in one of the other videos. I did a speed test on it, so I'm not too sure what this one will do. I haven't really took it out yet, so there you go. That's Ridgeback MX4 with a tsdz2 fitted. Any comments, leave them below. Speak to you soon.